Howdy YouTubers, welcome back. Just a little quick video, just let you know what we've been up to for the last couple of weeks. Not done a video for a while. Been away on a little holiday, a little break, a little city break. Excuse me. Went down to London, saw Back to the Future the musical, absolutely brilliant, recommend it to anybody. Did a few museum trips, etc, etc. Science Museum, absolutely fantastic, loved it to pieces, and I saw a bit of the sights, just a bit of a break, not had one for a while, so decided to go for a break. Intending coming back, getting back into a video straight away, and then this happened. Don't worry, nothing to do with machinery, I've not got it caught in anything, but I've not been able to do much because of it. Basically I was cleaning, we don't know, the doctors don't even know what's actually happened. Bad infection, swelled up, about twice the size it should be. A lot of horrible stuff, I'll not say what, but came out. They sort of went into it in needles, extracted a lot of stuff, squeezed a lot of stuff out of it. Also one night myself, about 2 o'clock in the morning, it was just really hurting, and just had to just give it a squeeze and got some stuff out. But anyway, course of antibiotics later, etc. The only thing I can put it down to, and this is one of those stupid things which I keep telling you to do, is wear gloves. I was cleaning something down and I think I had a little nick at the side of my finger. So I remember a few days earlier I sort of just caught it. I just think it was just down, into the skin. I remember I was cleaning something off, some machinery, and my hands were black. I'll be honest with you, they were absolutely black. And I just remember a bit of a tingle, a bit of a stinging sensation. So washed my hands, thought nothing of it. Anyway, about a week later, woke up one morning and my fingers are getting bigger. Day after, even bigger still. So off to see the doctors. And like I say, we just antibiotics, a lot of needles extracting what was in there. None of us still know exactly what happened. They were asking if I'd banged it, if I'd stabbed it, we don't know. We don't know, but I think it was just something like that. So please, just one of those simple things, always wear your rubber gloves. 99% of the times I do. We know they get ripped, we all do it. So it was just one of those cases where they got a bit ripped and I just carried on. He said he'd like put another pair on, and I just got blacker and blacker and blacker. And I think also I was using some degreaser, and I think maybe that had thinned it a little bit and took whatever muck into my finger because it was a bit thinner. At first I just thought that's what the stinging was, but obviously maybe not, we don't know. But yeah, so I've not been able to sort of get at anything. So only a few more days of wearing this and we can sort of get rid of it, and get the thing working again. But I've not been doing anything, one, because it's not quite right, get the feel, but also it gets caught and anything, and it actually does drag my finger in. Obviously it's worse than just a swelling finger if it's not there. So yeah, so that's what we've been up to. So a little bit of a break, a little bit of a, not an injury as such, but something's happened. Trying to keep it clean, but as you can see from the picture at the beginning, it gets a bit dirty. Again, I have been wearing gloves just to keep this clean and dry best we can, doing things. So I've just started to get back into stuff. So yeah, once this is up and once this is gone, we'll be up and running, get some more videos done, make some more stuff and make some more swarf. So thanks for watching. Just keep you updated where we are. So I said, nothing major, just one of those things that happens every now and again. So thanks for watching, YouTubers, and until next time, it'll be right.